This brand is made in the USA by Air Systems Components Incorporated, which is a part of Johnson Controls Company, but the units are only available through their dealer network in the USA and Canada. The units include standard manual humidity controls, but optional H2O smart controls are offered, and the humidifiers are backed by an average warranty. The H2O smart controls allows the humidifier to control the furnace blower motor so that the humidifier can operate even when there is no call for heating. The CB300 and CB300S models are standard bypass flow-through evaporative humidifiers with a 22-gallon per day capacity, while the CB100 and CB100S models are fan-powered and have a 20-gallon per day capacity. The S models have an LED indication of fault codes and gives an indication when it is time to change the humidifier pad. The Mr. Mini humidifier is an atomizing humidifier which does not waste any water, and the unit has automatic controls with a 12.5 gallon per day capacity. All of the units are easy to install as they use push-to-lock connections for the water line. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.